Hello, welcome. We have this coffee grinder today. Not only coffee grinder, you can grind anything, any dry thing. Like you can see, here is some picture, but you can do with it. Let's see what's the problem. Why they send it to me. Plug it into main line, press the button, and it does nothing. So we have to open this thing. See what's the problem. It has only two screws and easily open everything. The switch in this handle side, try it again. Oh, it works. It's good. Why they 700? I think the switch, the problem in its switch is not reached properly to this main tactile switch. This is the problem. This is the only problem, nothing else. So what we will do, we have to remove this handle part and see if we can improve anything about the switch. I think the switch is in the right position and there's nothing we have to do. What's the problem? Assemble it again. What's the problem? Plug it again. It's not working. Strange. Very strange. What's the problem? There is some problem in this thing. This is a little bit short. I don't know how it is, and that's why it cannot reach the switch properly. So what we can do, we can try to increase its height like this. Let's see is it works or not. Oh. Yes, now it works just fine. Every press it works. Fantastic. It's a easy fix. Now I'm going to blend this thing. You know what it is. I think it's okay. It's just testing purpose and this is enough. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share the video and subscribe my channel.